everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys two different boxes. Now, the first box I'm going to share with you guys is Pinch Me. Now, funny thing is, Pinch Me, they sent me something, totally got ruined. There's a hole in it, everything. Okay, next thing, sample source. I mean, it's completely like smashed. This was soaking wet when I got it. It's finally dried out. But what I'm just going to kind of share with you guys today is stuff that you guys can get free just by signing up. This stuff is free. Sample Source is a Canadian company. So they do this, I think 3 or 4 times a year. You guys sign up. They'll let you know when the samples are available. You guys just answer a couple questions and they'll mail you stuff. Usually you get some really good stuff in here. Like, you get some good stuff. Sometimes you get coupons for full-size products. So, not that. Yeah, and then Pinch Me is a hit or miss. Like, I like Pinch Me. It usually happens once a month on a Tuesday. It's 11 o'clock my time, and I'm Central Time. And they usually have you pick out stuff. Now, you got to keep up with the site. I don't keep up with it, but if you guys want to join, you just go to pinchme.com and you go to Sample Source. Pinch Me does send you a lot of junk email. So if you guys do sign up for like an email that you don't really care about. But I'm just going to kind of show you guys what I get. It's been a long time since I got something from Pinch Me. In the past, it's like one item. But this is a pretty decent box. So we're going to dig in and see what we got. So the first thing we got is a coupon for $1 off any pouch of the Ready Pasta. I get these coupons for $1 all the time, so this isn't like a wonderful coupon, but it doesn't expire until 2020 in March. And then they also gave me a $1 off coupon for any pesto, which is nice. Last time I got a coupon from them was for a free thing of pesto, so we got that. I also got a sample of Moroccan Oil. Moroccan Oil Hydrating Styling Cream, so it's like a little sample. I don't know if this is conditioner. It's just for your hair. So they gave me just a little sample, just one sample, yeah, just one little sample of the cream. We also got Chlorophyll 12 allergy pills. Looks like there's 4 little pills. Tablets. It's for sneezy, runny nose, itchy, watery eyes, and an itchy throat. So these don't expire until 6 months from now. So I got 4 little, allergy pills. They also gave me a Clorox Scentiva disinfecting wet cloth. There's just one of them in here, so this is something you connect to like your little Swiffer, which I like. And I like the Scentiva brand. I really do for that one. And then I got one last item in here. I don't know if there was other stuff in here because of the hole. I mean, it's a pretty decent hole, so I don't know if anything else got lost in it. But they did send me a sample of the Pesto Creamy Ricotta Arugula Basil sauce, so that's kind of cool. So that's everything that I got me in Pinch Me. It does vary from account to account, but I really like what I got. I mean, it's been a long time since I actually got some really decent stuff, so go ahead and do that, and they let you guys know when it's ready. And then Sample Source, I'm just going to dig in and see what we got. I don't know if anything got ruined or anything, but yeah, it's like all smashed. So here is a coupon for the Little Potato Company. It does expire in 2 months, but it is for a free trial of fresh creamer potatoes, up to 1.5 pound bag of potatoes. And fun fact is, the Little Potato Company is actually right down the road from me, one of the distribution centers. So I got a coupon for that, which was stuck to this little thing. So I got 10 Carefree liners, yeah, regular liners. So we got that going on. Yeah, so let's see what else we got. I got a $2 off coupon for Persil discs, which is awesome. So these don't expire until March, so I got a $2 off coupon for the discs. And then here is a Royal Canin cat food. Buy 4 cans of cat food, you get 4 free. That coupon expires in December, so I got a coupon for that. There's a lot of stuff in here. I got Bona Hardwood Floor Deep Cleaner. So they actually sent me a bottle that I can spray on my floor, well, before I clean it to wipe it up. So that's kind of cool. I've gotten Bona stuff before, but nothing of a spray. They gave me a Persil sample. So I got one Persil sample of the pod things, which I really like. Persil is like my favorite brand. Another Bona product. This is Stone Tile and Laminate Floor Cleaner. So again, you just kind of spray it right on the floor. And I like this bottle. And it looks like it's like full. It's like a full-size bottle. That is it. And I got one last item, and I got a full-size can of cat food. This is the Royal Canin Adult Instinctive Thin Slices of Gravy. So, got a full can of cat food. So that was everything that I got in my Smart Source box and in my Pinch Me box. Not Smart Source. Sample Source. Why do I keep saying Smart Source? Sample Source. So you guys can definitely go ahead and join. Pinch Me is once a month, every Tuesday. You guys just sign up and you guys can get free things. But it does vary. When I don't qualify for stuff, I get free magazines. I got free magazines to last me up to 3 years, you guys. That's how many magazines I've gotten from Pinch Me. And then Sample Source, I think, is a pretty good. You get some really good stuff. I've got, like, this is probably one of the better items that I've gotten in a long time. But just want to kind of share you guys in case you guys want to sign up. You just go to pinchme.com and then you just go to samplesource.com and you guys can sign up. So Sample Source won't happen again until the spring, but, or maybe this winter because it's still fall. I don't know. But you guys can definitely check it out. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And we will see you guys all later. See you later. Bye-bye.